The LEER Latitude is designed to be one of the most user-friendly tonneaus on the market today. One person can quickly and easily install or remove Latitude from a truck bed. Because no two truck models are designed alike, it is important to review the installation, care, and maintenance instructions for optimal performance. To speed the installation process, after opening up the box, examine the contents to ensure you have all the materials required and to make them easily accessible. Contents include the soft trifold Latitude cover, an installation instructions and owner's manual, and a hardware box containing 2 rear clamp assemblies, 2 front twist knob clamp assemblies, one 2.5mm Allen wrench, and one 5mm Allen wrench. Begin by placing the folded Latitude cover at the cab end of the truck bed. Position the cover and be sure the front flap overlaps the front of the bed. Make sure the front corners are equal distance on each side. Once the folded cover is positioned, unbuckle the straps and unfold the Latitude, positioning it completely over the truck bed. Look down both sides of the bed and be sure the Latitude is centered. Carefully refold the cover without shifting its positioning and buckle both straps. Select the insert closest to the bed rail. Secure the clamp to the metal rail of the truck bed and not just the plastic rail. Hand tighten until the clamp contacts the truck rail. Place and repeat the same procedure with the security tether. Repeat this process to secure the other side of the cover. Latitude uses LEER's exclusive sync latching system for easy opening and closing. After unbuckling the front straps, unfold the Latitude to locate the placement of the sync latches. This allows you to position the rear clamps. Be sure your rear clamp is not lined up with a plastic bed rail cap. Slide your clamp onto the rail and hand tighten the flower nuts and 5mm Allen screws to place. Using the 5mm Allen wrench supplied with the system, tighten the bottom 2 Allen screws. Once tightened, you may remove the flower nut and keep if you need to reinstall. If your sync latch is not fully engaged with the striker plate, you may need to make slight adjustments to the sync latch location along the lateral rail. Open the cover and use the supplied 2.5mm Allen wrench to make adjustments. Do this by loosening your Allen screws and sliding the sync latching system catch to overlap the striker plate by 1/2 inch. If your sync latch is properly aligned but is not fastening correctly, you may need to adjust the height of the striker plate. This plate can be raised or lowered by loosening the top 5mm Allen screw. Please note that as the seal on the Latitude cover compresses over time, the striker plates may need to be adjusted. And that's it. For decades, LEER has been trusted to provide the best cargo protection anywhere. Thank you for choosing LEER. If you have questions or need more information, please visit us at www.leer.com.